The benefits of eating fruit. Eating fruit is not only delicious, but also has many benefits for your health. Nutrient-rich. Fruits are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help keep your body healthy and functioning properly. Digestive health. The fiber in fruits aids digestion and promotes regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and supporting gut health. Hydration. Many fruits have high water content, which helps keep you hydrated and supports overall hydration levels in your body. Heart health. Fruits like berries and citrus fruits are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease and improve heart health. Weight management. Fruits are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great option for satisfying hunger and managing weight. Improved skin. The vitamins and antioxidants in fruits can help improve skin health, reducing signs of aging and promoting a healthy complexion. Boosted immunity. Fruits are rich in vitamin C and other nutrients that support a healthy immune system, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses. Incorporating a variety of fruits into your daily diet can provide numerous health benefits and contribute to your overall well-being. Don't miss out. Follow us for more updates.